modding comrades. I think today is a beautiful day to go for a taxi lap. No, not the real taxi, but a fake taxi. A quick disclaimer, it's not a taxi because of all the Nürburgring licensing rules, media license, taxi license, you know, everything. But I think it's a very nice idea. So you can tell us more about it. The man who built my gearbox in the Golf.
Yeah, exactly.
And a lot more.
Yeah.
So what is this?
Yeah, it's a A45 S model. And it's completely equipped with track package. So it's included big brake system on the front, club sport suspension, OZ racing wheels.
Nice. So Club Sport, KW Club Sport.
KW Club Sport, yeah.
And you told me I think it's the first one?
It's the first Club Sport suspension in such a car.
In an A45S, yeah, in the world.
In the world, so it was developed on that car. Cool. Especially.
And on the back, so it's actually pretty bad taxi because I believe you're missing rear seats, yeah. So
the taxi sign is stored there because it's not allowed on the track.
Yeah, unfortunately. So yeah, that's yeah. But I guess enough for the outside. Let's go on the inside and have a lap. You can fire it up. I don't know if it sounds any different.
No, it's with OPF.
Ah, it's well, we can do an attempt. Disappointing. No, just let's just go drive.
So with OPF car, there's no sound.
First impression, very comfortable, but it could be also a downside on the track regarding not having the side bolsters for the side support. How do you experience it? Are the seats okay?
With that belts, they are okay. With stock belts, you are moving a bit too much in the seats. But yeah, for now the seats are okay. So much better than a lot of other stock cars.
I'm not sure. Did you mention the performance? The horsepower upgrade?
No, it's 525 horsepower now with upgrade turbocharger, and yeah, of course ECU and TCU and CPC software. But yeah, we will take it easy today. Yeah, it's a lot of traffic, and the thing is, the car is still very, very heavy. Yeah. So you have 1,100 kilo just on the front axle.
Wow. interesting how you really have to learn to drive again with this car because of the torque vectoring. Yeah. It's completely counterintuitive. but that's the way it works.
Yeah, you have to learn it a bit.
Yep.
pretty hot in the end, so
yeah,
still a bit too much air pressure.
yeah. Bit hot tires, but you can feel the weight definitely.
Yeah.
Like on the braking, like that weight wants to go somewhere. But other than that, impressive, impressive. Actually, you're not that missing the modified exhaust sound, I would say.
Yeah,
it's okay.
This is still in development, but yeah, in Germany it's not easy with the
Yeah, but with taking out the rear, it helps a lot. So
yeah.
it gives some extra emotion in the cabin.
Yeah, you can hear the exhaust streaming sound.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Give Alex a follow as well on Instagram, and in case you need anything like me putting a new gearbox in, he can help you out. Or anything related to Mercedes.